Hey guys, ClayRepairs here, and today I'll show you how to paint accents on your vehicle to personalize it and make it go from this and this to this, and this. All you'll need is a paint color of your choice, some masking tape, and brushes and a cup. We'll start on the front first. The first thing you want to do is clean this up with some Windex and a paper towel. The next thing we're going to do is mask off the parts that we don't want painted. Since we are going to be painting by brush, it's not quite as big of a deal if we don't get every little part masked off because we're not going to be spraying this. After masking it off, we'll shake up the paint can and spray a small amount into the cup. After spraying a small bit of paint into this cup, we're going to start our first coat. In this coat, we care more about coverage rather than looks. We want every bit of what you want painted to be painted. It's going to look streaky with the brush, but we'll fix that afterwards. And on to the other side for its first coat. Okay, I refilled my cup, and now we're going on to the second coat. Now for this coat, you're going to want to do really quick sweeps of the brush. You don't want to let the brush rest in anywhere too long, otherwise it may start taking off the first coat. Okay, and that is it. We are done painting, and all we have to do is take off the masking tape and see what it looks like. If you spilled any paint anywhere, a little bit of brake cleaner or paint stripper on a rag should take that right off like you saw right here. Now moving on to the hubcaps, the same general steps apply. First cleaning, and then painting. For this hubcap, I'm going to turn this part that's red here, this little ring around the outside is going to become blue. And with this one, the Ford logo and possibly this ring around the outside, I'm going to turn blue. I'm doing small, little intricate parts here, especially when they're engraved like this. You take a little small screwdriver and dab the paint on it, and you can get right in these little grooves to paint them. And as far as this, just use a paintbrush sideways like this, around the outside. This here is going to need a second coat because you can see the red still showing through. And I'm going to do the same for these two hubcaps on the driver's side. Now as you can tell on this one and all the other ones, there are parts that got paint on them that I don't want painted. So to solve that problem, we're going to take a bit of brake cleaner on a rag and wipe it across the surface. Now right here you can see I got paint outside of the words, and I don't want that. So I'm going to take that rag and just wipe it. Look, now there is no paint on anything other than just the words. I think it looks great. I'll do that to all the other ones now. Now we'll go reinstall them on the truck. As far as the brushes go in the cleanup phase, I just do nothing with them because they're disposable brushes. I either just throw them away or see what happens to them. You might be able to reuse them, but probably not. And as far as the can of spray paint, after you're done using it, you want to hold it upside down and spray it until color no longer comes out to make sure the tip is cleared out and you can use it again later, since we barely used any. And with that, we are done. You can apply this same procedure to just about any other part you want to do. For instance, I did my grill. It used to be really faded, and I did the exact same method and turned this nice and gray back to how it looked factory. If you liked the video, remember to give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this.